talking about the growth culture. So, as we are aware, the landscape has been changing from brick and mortar. We've come to the online world. Okay. So, what have been the agents of change? The first one is technology. Second is the infrastructure. If you guys can please go on mute. Okay, great. Second is the infrastructure. Third is the IT infrastructure. Fourth is the government and business networking itself. So these are some of the agents of change. So with the internet, we've gone from wired to wireless, communication from copper, we've gone to 4G, ration card to Aadhaar card, dabba walas to hyper local services, infrastructure from city to smart city, aerodromes to aerocities, highways to industrial corridors, money to digital money, wallets to digital wallet, Amazon books to AWS, e-commerce to integrated commerce. All right. Then governance to e-governance, excise octroi to GST, business networking, we moved from industrial associations to e-growth, village opal to e-growth, and many other things to e-growth. All right. So e-growth is definitely a change for the business, an agent for change. All right. What is eGrowth? eGrowth is a modern business networking platform for small and medium enterprises. It provides a dynamic ecosystem for business to flourish. It is designed for the ever-changing landscape of the market to cater to both brick and mortar world as well as the digital marketplace. The pathway is contribution and collaboration. This is an ongoing journey to cause exponential growth in business. Now, this is something what I had written in 2015, and every word of it is valid even today. All right. This is the culture statement that I'd put together for eGrowth. Okay. So this one statement is what we are going to uncover in the next couple of slides. eGrowth is an ecosystem. The stakeholders are CEOs who are committed to sustainable business. These people are passionate about being in action, being innovative and generous, taking responsibility at all times. Businesses experience exponential growth. All right, let's dwell further into this. So all the words which are there in capitals, we'll be digging deeper into each one of these words. What does this mean? So ecosystem. So there was this gentleman named John Scully. He spent a lot of time with Apple, and then he was also with Pepsi. So he was with Pepsi and he came into Apple. All right. He says, stay the course and keep building an integrated Apple ecosystem of iPhone plus iPod plus iMac plus iTunes plus App Store plus Apple TV. No one has yet demonstrated they understand how to create an experience-based ecosystem as well as Apple. Okay. Now, you look at all these are different platforms from Apple, and they work seamlessly with one another. Here, if we replace Apple with eGrowth, that is the story that we're building. Okay, you can be loosely connected to eGrowth. There are registered users to eGrowth. There are annual subscribers to eGrowth. There is an inner circle. So different kind of engagement is happening in all these environments. All right. On top of it, when we talk about the CEO talks, that is yet another engagement. So we're consistently creating new ways of engaging, and we're building it further. Now, next, we are saying the stakeholders are CEOs. Let us see what CEO means. Okay. Can somebody tell me who is Indra Nooyi? Hello. Please share.
She contributed to clean up the Noyel River here in South.
Okay. What
That
else?
much
She
I know.
actually she comes from the banking industry. I think she was heading one of the largest banks. Was it HDFC?
No. So you
No,
talking about,
ICICI.
you are probably talking about Chanda Kochhar, and she was
Oh,
ICICI.
Pepsi, PepsiCo. Arey, Nui is PepsiCo. Sorry.
So
I mixed up Chanda Kochar. You're right.
yes, yes. So Indra Nui was born and brought up in Chennai, and she's been the CEO of PepsiCo. All right. So she says, as a leader, I'm tough on myself and I raise the standard for everybody. However, I'm very caring because I want people to excel at what they are doing so that they can aspire to be me in the future. Right? So this is a CEO. This is who you are. Okay. So when I speak to you as e-growth, this is how I relate to you, each one of you. Let's move further. Who are committed? Let us see what committed means. So anybody who knows Netaji? Hello?
I think all of us. Azad Hind Fauj.
Absolutely. So he gave this slogan, "Tum mujhe khoon do, main tumhe azadi dunga." So this sentence or this phrase in itself is a demonstration of commitment. He says, you give me blood and I'll give you freedom. I'll give you independence. So this is the level of commitment that he brought in. And this is the level of commitment we envisage within eGrowth, or this is what we are working towards. All right, let's move further to sustainable business. So here's another stalwart. Does anybody know who's Lee Iacocca?
No.
All right.
If I'm not wrong, he has something to do with the share markets and investments.
Not at all.
So I'm confusing him with Warren.
Warren Buffett. Yeah. So Lee Iacocca was somebody who's worked with Chrysler. Chrysler, as you would know, was the third largest auto manufacturer in the US. They were eventually bought by Daimler, so which is Mercedes-Benz. Okay, so now Chrysler is a Benz brand. Okay, they gave brands like Dodge, and they were awesome. Some of the well-known. So Jeep is a Chrysler brand, by the way, JEEP. Okay, now the first two brands were General Motors, and the second one was Ford. And automobile industry has had the history of going up and down. Lee Iacocca was the guy who turned around Chrysler a number of times. Okay, so he writes, in the end, all business operations can be reduced to three words: people, product, and profits. Unless you've got a good team, you can't do much with other two. All right. So the foundation of a sustainable business is a great team. And at eGrowth, all of you are a great team. You are the ones who contribute to a sustainable business. When I'm saying sustainable business, I'm not talking about the eGrowth business. I'm saying your business, eGrowth is your business. In the sense, your business is what we're talking about. Okay. Next, the word
Where is
passionate.
he from? Lee. What's his name? Lee
Lee Iacocca,
Iacocca. Where is he from?
US.
Okay.
Origin, I am not sure. He might be from the CIS industry countries.
Atul,
Yeah,
as a matter of culture,
yeah.
how I relate to e-growth is very, very important. No?
Okay.
If I think e-growth something in like that corner,
Hmm.
then let me see what I can do. No, कभी जाऊंगा कभी नहीं जाऊंगा देखना हो ना.
Right.
So probably my own business, my own future, my family will be in that way, in that sense. If I
Absolutely.
say we are one,
Absolutely.
then all dimensions grows up, all dynamism खुल जाते हैं ना,
100%.
काफी नई दुनिया पैदा हो जाती है.
Bilkul. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thanks. Passionate. So here is another set of people. Okay. Do you know them? Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev.
They stood for India.
Yes. All right. So Bhagat Singh, he gave this slogan called Inqilab Zindabad. That is passion. Just these two words brought the entire nation together. All right. That is what passion is all about. Let's go to the next one. Being in action. So anybody who's read Lao Tzu or knows Lao Tzu?
He's from Tibet or China?
China, yeah.
Okay.
He's a Chinese writer. He said, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step.
Hmm.
So Lao Tzu is the author of the book called The Art of War. Okay, the art of war is the application of military. Okay, so how the military operates, and today in the business world, art of war is used to build businesses, create businesses. All right. He says the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So that is being in action. So taking just one step at a time, that is action. Right? Let's look at the next word. Being innovative. Sanjeev ji, are you there? संजीव जी हैं?
बिल्कुल सर.
बिल्कुल है ना, ये आपका दोस्त आया है.
अच्छा.
वो कहता है think different.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
Being innovative, right? He says innovation is the distinction between a leader and the follower. Okay. He also says advertising is the price you pay for an inferior product. All right. So at eGrowth, we are innovative. Each one of us is innovative in our areas of life. Let's look at next. Steve Jobs. Anji.
I can't stop myself from talking in between.
Anji, please, no worries, sir.
मुझे लगता है कि this is a different part to make ourselves fit for the future. अभी ये सेशन के बाद में समझो एक इनोवेशन है या सुखदेव है या लियो का है ना, उस पे एक चैप्टर होना चाहिए, एक दिन जाना चाहिए. Probably we can have series to discuss about the Leo Asaka.
एक काम करते हैं ना, ये कल्चर स्टेटमेंट कंप्लीट करते हैं.
बाद में मेरे को जरा मैं बीच में बोल दूं.
Create a future on this, definitely.
Yes. Wonderful.
Yeah.
Great.
Next is a word called generous. इनको जानते हो आप लोग?
मदर टेरेसा.
Awesome, right? She was what, a Hungarian or Romanian?
Romanian.
Romanian. I think she was an Indian. She was actually she was not even an Indian.
She born for the world.
She was a true global citizen.
Global citizen.
She belonged to the earth. Okay.
Belonged to universe.
Yes. She said, let more and more insist on raising funds of love. if kindness, of love, of kindness, of understanding, of peace. Money will come if we seek the kingdom of God. Rest will be given. If you like this, you can give a thumbs up. Thank you. Thank you. Next one, responsibility. इसको भी जानते होंगे आप, मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी, right? He says, be the change you want to see in the world. That's taking responsibility. I want the world to be more accommodating. I want the world to be rich. I want the world to make money. I want the world to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All that begins with me. Okay, so be the change you want to see in the world. That is taking responsibility. All times. Okay, this is the most favorite piece in this entire culture that I like personally. Okay, Martin Luther King Jr., he says, if you can't fly, then run. If you can't run, then walk. If you can't walk, then crawl. But whatever you do, you have to keep moving forward. This is all times. Come what may. Be it sun, be it rain, be it cold, be it hot. You got to keep moving further. That is all times. Let's look at the next one, exponential growth. This is another awesome one, okay? Colin Wilson, I don't know who is he, but I liked what he said, so I've written it here. He says, change is inevitable. Growth is intentional. Okay? So if we want to create growth, we've got to be intentional for it. And if we are intentional for it, all actions which we take will be in line. So gentlemen, just read this statement once again. So not e-growth at base, but e-growth is an ecosystem. The stakeholders are CEOs who are committed to sustainable business. These people are passionate about being in action, being innovative and generous, taking responsibility at all times. Businesses experience exponential growth ongoingly. So please, each one of you, please share what did you get out of this statement.
It is concising a big picture.
Thank you. And what does it open up for you?
That we have to be passionate, innovative, generous, and responsible if our business has to be growing to success.
Okay.
That talks of me. Who am I?
Amazing.
And the being of me.
Awesome.
And being of me, if is so and so, what could be the future of the people around me? You know, because we all are one. We are all not different.
Fantastic. Great. Sanjeev ji.
For me, I think there are multiple. Of course, I mean, people that you have spoken about have are widely known, have worldwide recognition.
We're losing you, Shefali.
The calling of their heart. So मुझे इसमें से सब में क्या दिख रहा है कि ये सारे लोग वो हैं जिन्होंने वो किया जिससे वो पैशनेटली कनेक्ट करते थे. They just followed their heart and they created something sustainable out of their passion. So it became a lifelong journey. So along the journey, they motivated people, they uplifted people, they add value to thousands and thousands of lives, and that's why documented, for whatever they have done. I mean, other than few people who are still alive, including Louis, they are still living examples. So a lot, yeah.
Great, thank you. Sanjeev ji.
These are the people who have achieved things in life and they followed their heart, and these people did what they wanted to do and they were successful in that.
Awesome.
Atul,
actually, following heart is not easy.
अतुल मैं कुछ पूछूं शेफाली को, ऐसा ही है? It applies to me too.
Please.
By social.
Sorry, yeah, what are you saying? Ek minute, Vijay ji. Yeah, Rizwana.
Yeah, what I'm saying is everybody has a dream in this life.
Right.
Somebody may be a businessman, but his dream is to become a football player.
Right.
In reality, he has to earn money, so he is doing this thing. Which one? He's earning for his family and livelihood. That is doing business. But actually, he wants to be in sports. So somewhere he has to find a balance between reality and his dream as well. And I am saying one more thing is, if we have to follow our dreams, many people will laugh at us. What are you doing? What is that? What is that? Many people will put us down, mock us. Everything will be there. But we have to move on in spite of these social inhibitions, I'm saying. Social inhibition is not a small thing. A lot of people will criticize you, will tell you so many things about you, good as well, bad as well. But we just should not fall into it. We should just focus on our purpose and move, I'm saying.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
अतुल मैं ये समझ रहा हूँ, ये जो लिखा ना वो मेरा डीएनए है, और कहीं ना कहीं मैंने सोचा है कि कुछ वायरस है, समझ ले कोरोना और समथिंग एल्स, जिसके हिसाब से मेरी मेमोरी से ये निकल गया है. बिकॉज आई सी दिस एंड दिस इज एवरीथिंग इज वन ओनली, रादर दिमाग से निकल गया है. हम उसको मैं यहाँ हूँ और वो हाँ यहाँ बोल रहा हूँ. जब तक उसको मैं इंटरलाइज नहीं करूंगा ना, जैसे मेरा ब्लड ग्रुप है, तो चीज मेरे में नहीं आएगी. Thank you.
Got it. Yeah. So another question which I have for all of you: do you relate to this statement?
Yes.
Awesome. Thank you. हाँ जी, संजीव जी म्यूट पे हैं.
इसको ऐसा अतुल,
हाँ जी.
I am ecosystem. I am CEO of my business who is committed to certain businesses.
Okay.
I am passionate about so and so. तो जहाँ जहाँ ई ग्रोथ है, वहाँ जिस पीपल है ना, वहाँ I am करके पढ़ो.
Awesome.
वो एक अलग एनर्जी आएगा.
Awesome. So I'll make that. Share it with you. I'll make that. I'll share it with you.
And please share it on the make it आपका जो फ्रंट ना ई ग्रोथ का.
हाँ जी.
फर्स्ट पेज है ना, उसपे लगा दीजिए. Who am I?
Okay.
जब भी कोई सोचेगा ना ये मेरे लिए है, तो सोचेगा था मैं क्या बंदा है, कहाँ से पैदा हुआ.
Awesome. सब एक ही जगह से पैदा होते हैं.
नहीं ये मैं ये हूँ ऐसा बोलने वाला ना.
Absolutely.
ये बात कर, मैं हमारी बात करता हूँ, मेरी बात नहीं करता हूँ, हमारी.
Right. Got it. Thank you. I think this is a beautiful idea. I'll just tweak it and I'll share it with all of you. Right. Fantastic. हाँ जी, शिफाली
जी,
क्या निकला आपके लिए?
I think मतलब मेरे को तो इतनी सारी चीजें मेरे दिमाग में चल रही है ना, आई थिंक इट इज बिकमिंग रियली डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी टू पेन डाउन ऑन वन थिंग.
Right.
आई मीन हाँ, इतना जरूर है कि देयर इज अ लॉट दैट यू कैन लर्न फ्रॉम एवरीबॉडी.
श्रीविद्या कहाँ गई हैं?
सॉरी,
श्रीविद्या.
हाँ मैं यहाँ हूँ.
हाँ, तो आपने बोला ही नहीं कुछ अभी तक. सॉरी शिफाली, यू प्लीज कंप्लीट, उसके बाद हम श्रीविद्या पर आते हैं. हाँ जी. या शिफाली.
Yes. So there is so much, you know, that I am trying to learn and grab, especially you know, COVID time में इतना there is floodgates of knowledge have opened up, and I have realized कि मेरा तो दिमाग ही clutter हो गया है, because I want to do everything now. मुझे लगता है मैं ये भी कर लूँ, मैं वो भी कर लूँ, उसमें भी involve हो जाऊँ, उसमें involve हो जाऊँ. तो मुझे I think I will need to hire somebody else to help me now decide what I really want to do.
शेफाली, इकोसिस्टम है ना वो हार्ट है.
एक सजेशन दूं.
कमिटमेंट है ना वो लंग है. सिस्टम बिजनेस है ना वो किडनी है. पैशनेट है ना, इफ वी रिलेट दोस थिंग्स एज अ पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी, नो ऑर्गन. तो हमें लगेगा साला मेरी चीज में क्या छोड़ रहा हूँ. हम बोलेंगे शेफाली बैठी है गुड़गांव में, विजय बैठा है मुंबई में, तो अलग हो गया ना. लेकिन बोलते मेरा लंग ही है, तो यार मेरे लंग को क्या छोड़ दिया, मैंने सांस लेना कहाँ छोड़ दिया ना. आई एम नॉट टेकिंग केयर ऑफ माय हार्ट. तो एक अपना अंदाज बदली हो जाएगा. दिस इज व्हाट हाउ आई इंटरप्रेट इट अभी से.
ऑसम. तो शिफाली, मेरे पास एक सजेशन है.
हाँ बताएं.
आपके घर में एक माचिस होगी?
हाँ ढूंढनी पड़ेगी, बट होगी कहीं.
होगी ना. तो उसको जो दिमाग के अंदर जो भूसा है ना, केवल एक माचिस की तीली चाहिए, वो पूरा भूसा जो है जल जाएगा. Then you will have all the space in the world to create whatsoever you want.
But मैं भूसा और काम की चीज को वो नहीं कर पा रही ना. अलग अलग.
At the end of the day सब भूसा है.
भूसा है.
Yes. हाँ जी. So श्रीविद्या.
ओके.
क्या है दिमाग में?
करना है, बोलना क्या है?
हाँ?
क्या पूछना है, क्या बोलना है?
तो इस स्टेटमेंट में से आपके लिए क्या ओपन अप हुआ?
The best thing is that all of them had a vision and they had a mission, and whatever happened, they did not say that we can't do it. They all moved forward.
Right.
They didn't get stagnant.
Right.
Okay? And the best thing is action लेने से ही काम होता है. You cannot just keep thinking. I can keep thinking all my life and not doing anything, but they all did it.
Absolutely.
So doing is important. Knowing is knowing and doing is doing.
Absolutely. See, for me, all of them are like me. There are no different. Okay. See, if you look at your personal achievements, each one of you has done awesome in your life. Whichever state you are in, wherever you are right now. You are not the same person who slept yesterday evening. Do you realize that? Hello?
Yes.
All right. Now, if you're not the same person who slept yesterday night, that means you've moved forward, isn't it? There are certain commitments which you have in life. That may be a commitment towards your children. Those may be a commitment towards your spouse. Those may be a commitment towards your parents. Those may be a commitment towards your business. You are committed, isn't it? And whatsoever you're committed, even if you're committed to your children, that itself is a sustainable business, isn't it? You're creating the next generation. That is sustainable business. Are you not passionate about it? Will you give rotten food to your children? Tell me, all of you have children, right? Will any one of you give rotten food to your children? Hello?
No.
No, na? So you're passionate about your children. You are in action, na? You wake up your kids, if your kids are small or whenever they were small, you ensured that you spend time with them, you washed them, you took them to the park, you did whatever was required. Were you not in action with them? You are the same person. And when your kid refused to have food or refused to have milk, did you not have all those innovative ways of feeding the kid?
Yes.
So are you not innovative? How many times your kid would have taken you to your wit's end, and yet you forgave that kid? Are you not generous? Did you not experience love over there? And because that kid is your creation, have you not been taking that responsibility throughout? Be the change you want to see in the world. Are you not being that person who you want your kid to be? All the times. Do you need to switch on that now I'm a mother and now I'm a father? Anybody किसी का है switch तो दिखाओ जरा, मैं भी देखना चाहता हूँ. I want to have a look. Where is your switch which turns you into a parent and switches off a parent? Do you have that switch?
Yes, yes.
You have?
Do have. Yeah.
Where is it?
I mean, in the brain.
See, once a mother, always a mother. When you are hitting your child, when you are scolding your child, when you are loving your child, when you are cuddling your child, when you are feeding your child, you are being a mother, right?
Yes. But only when we are with the children, we are like that.
Right. See, this is how it is.
Mm-hmm.
Isn't it? All the time. And businesses experience exponential growth. One relationship. You are happy when you see your child growing. You are happy when you see your child is earning more than what you are earning. Maybe the only relationship. You can be jealous with your friends. You can be jealous with your siblings. Not with your child. That is exponential growth. And whichever business you are in, is that not your child? Tell me.
Yes, yes. Agree. Yeah.
So
you're saying
replace the business with replace the child with the business. Doesn't this fit there? So you are already this person. There is no new chip which needs to be added into you. Prachi is also saying that. She's saying you are already whole, complete, and perfect.
Yeah.
She said you're doing good. You're doing good job. Right? So any remarks on this?
Well said.
Thank you. Hanji, Shifali ji. Shri Vidya ji.
क्या नाम जी का?
कुछ बोलना है या सिर्फ बस थम्स अप?
आप बोलिए.
मैं तो बोल ही रहा हूँ आज तो मैं ही बोल रहा हूँ. संजीव जी.
Everything's fine, boy.
Fantastic. All right. So now let us look at the next piece. E-growth exists to enable unprecedented overall growth for business. Enable means make it happen, cause it, empower. Unprecedented is something which has never happened, never thought, first in the market. Overall is resources, business generation, profitability, revenue, all overall, right? Growth is growth about happiness, growth in performance, growth in bonding, growth in trust. Growth also means reduction in attrition, reduction in time taken. Business is yield, business is scale, business is turnover, business is profits, business is lines of business, and business is location. So there are so many parameters you talk about business. So this is what our mission is. What can you expect? Networking, meetings, your requirements, being on it. This is e-growth. Can you see it's all plain, vanilla, straight, simple? That's e-growth for you. Haji. So thank you for taking time out. I'd love to hear more from you. How is it that we can build it further? Is this something which has made a difference in your life?
So what I say is the beginning. There is a beginning. Every day, every moment is a beginning.
Right.
What put down all the components. No?
Mm-hmm.
Let's say have the one day each, rather a series for the same. No?
Okay.
Not only for the e-group members.
Right.
By that we expand the territories.
Okay. So I'm willing to do that. ठीक है, done है. So I'm willing to do that. On each of these words, see, I can speak for hours together.
Yes.
And I can speak, I can bring things which are relevant.
That's it. That's required.
Anything else?
I thought, should we stick to our original program of Thursday, Friday, and Saturday?
Thursday, Friday, Saturday in the sense?
Thursday, your e-growth new members, and Friday for
Thursdays. So we are to that only, na? So we're not changing that. So Friday is inner circle, Thursday is introduction, Saturday is the panel discussion, Sunday is Chapal.
What proposing is some toppings on the pizza.
So we still have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, right? Yeah, Sanjeevji, what is your suggestion? Or what is it where the confusion is? Hello? Hanji, Sanjeevji.
Atul?
Yeah.
I just have a suggestion, like an innovation or e-growth.
Yeah.
You can start posting. There are so many movies which is based on entrepreneurs.
Okay.
Like, for example, Steve Jobs movie is there.
Okay.
And this, Karate Kid, all these motivational movies.
Okay.
We can all, you can just download a movie and we can have a Zoom meet where we can watch this particular movie and have a discussion how, as a person, we can start.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Yes, we can do that.
Yeah.
So if not like in the program, I shared that Chak the India video, right?
Yes.
So we did not go through the entire movie, but we went through the crux of that movie.
Yes.
This is a great idea. We can do that.
Yeah. So that we are so much connected to movies, actually, everybody.
Yep.
we have so much of emotional connection with, be it Amitabh Bachchan, be it Shah Rukh Khan, or be it Iron Man. Seriously. So if we can see these motivation from them, we will immediately be motivated. We will have that to do it in business.
Perfect.
I think you can do that innovation. It's my
Done.
request.
So fantastic. So while I'll search for some movies,
Yes.
Tomorrow what we are going to discuss on is the life of an eagle.
Wow.
Okay, so I already have the video with me. I know what to do about it. So we'll see that video tomorrow, and then we'll have a discussion around it. Make sense?
Yes, yes.
Awesome. So my request to each one of you is, each one get a couple of more people from eGrowth, from outside of eGrowth, so that we have more participation.
Can I say something?
Yeah,
Yes,
please.
we'll try.
What is the agenda? What is the agenda?
The agenda is to take entrepreneurs to the next level.
All right. Now, are entrepreneurs looking for what you're giving?
Yes, they are.
Okay. So what?
So let me ask you. You are an entrepreneur.
Yes.
Do you want to go to the next level in your business?
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
Let us check this with Srividya.
Yes, of course.
Fantastic. Sanjeev ji. Sanjeev ji.
Anji sir, I definitely want to go take it to next level.
Fantastic.
But coming over here every day and there is no great topic, then let's stagger it.
So let me ask you one thing. The topic which I covered today, was that not great?
Atul ji,
it was great, but the participation needs to be much more than
so participation and topic are two different things, right?
I know.
So we need so topics are see, 6 of us put together, we are masters in our domains. We can we can talk about some awesome topics, right? हाँ जी please.
सुनो, देखो क्या है, आपको अच्छे से पता है कि आपके स्किल्स क्या है, और हमें भी बहुत अच्छे से पता है आपके स्किल्स क्या है.
Right.
लेकिन क्या होता है जब हम किसी भी कॉन्सेप्ट को बेचते हैं, see, we are trying to sell something, right?
Right.
So जब हम किसी भी कॉन्सेप्ट को बेचते हैं तो हमारा जो सेलिंग पिच है,
हाँ.
उसमें ये मैसेज बिल्कुल लाउड और क्लियर होना चाहिए कि A, only I can do it.
Okay.
B, there is a clear outcome.
Okay.
See, we all know Mother Teresa. We all know, we all know so many people. We all know their sayings, right?
Yeah.
So if I'm coming to this session
Yeah.
for 1 hour,
Yeah.
okay, what is my additional takeaway, which is directly positively affecting my growth?
Okay.
Right? So see, I have 24 hours, right?
Absolutely.
24 hours, it is the most expensive commodity. Right?
Absolutely.
So अगर एक घंटा मैंने यहाँ पे दिया, direct, straight, effective outcome that nobody can give me.
Okay.
It is, so what we are doing currently is a general thing.
Right.
General thing हम तब करते हैं जब फुर्सत होती है.
Okay.
Are you understanding my?
Yeah, I'm getting it.
See, why I'm saying all this is because I want this to work.
Okay.
So how can we package it in a way so that at the end of the session, there is a clear, transparent, strategic outcome ki fine, this is what you have to do.
Fair enough.
So generalize वाले से नहीं होगा, वो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है, उससे सिर्फ मोटिवेशन मिलेगा, तो मोटिवेशन तो अपन चलते फिरते वैसे भी ले लेंगे.
ठीक है. Okay, so let me ask you one thing. What would be these specific things that you are looking for?
Okay. For example, in today's time, the biggest thing that we need is how to take my business online. For example, मतलब how to handle my team who's working from home.
Okay.
We need to identify these topics.
Right.
Some things like those. Okay. How to scale my business with a clear outcome as on date with strategies.
Fantastic.
Strategy options given to
Awesome. So right now I've got an assignment for you. 5 of you in the chat box give 3 topics each, which will have a direct bearing on your business.
Okay, I think everybody can give 2-3 topics. I think let's start from there.
That's what I said. So in the chat box you put it so that we can go. So my job is that once you give those topics, I get appropriate resources in place. So appropriate speakers to come and do that, because I cannot do everything. I don't want to do that either. Make sense? Is that a direct, tangible output what you can get from today's conversation?
Yes.
Fantastic. So can we please have these inputs? So team building, trust and strategy is from Vijay Shah. How to manage my work from home team. ठीक है, Shefali. Okay. Next. Srividya and Rizwana, Sanjeev ji. Okay, Shefali, second topic is what is the best way to manage my money in the current times? Okay. How to manage business in lockdown times, Sanjeev ji. ठीक है. Saving, I am moving in the right direction. Okay. Srividya, creating the need and resolving, identifying the concern and solution. ये श्रीविद्या थोड़ा सा इसको straight forward करो, ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा जलेबी जैसा सीधा हो गया. Shefali says how to control my expenses in COVID times. Rizwana, did not hear anything from you so far. Sanjeev ji, आप privately क्यों भेज रहे हो? How to keep yourself safe while earning money. Okay, so Rizwana says WhatsApp using video, audio and texting to kill boredom. Freelancing, investing before seeing profits. Okay. Great. Srividya, how to create more connects. Fantastic. Awesome. Shefali, how do I identify the leaks in my business that is bleeding? Awesome. Where am I wasting my money? Okay. Great. Scaling up is Vijay Shah. How to keep staff motivated? Fantastic. Connecting with professionals through online webinars. Okay. So I think the first topic which I would take means which I'll take tomorrow is or okay. So let me go the other way around.
Make a list. You make a list of all.
आप में से कौन कल इनमें से किसी एक टॉपिक के ऊपर बोलना चाहेगा? I'll definitely make a list and circulate it among all the people.
अतुल सर, अगर हम में से कोई भी देखो इस टॉपिक पे या इनमें से किसी टॉपिक का एक्सपर्ट होता ना, तो हमने ये सवाल मतलब एटलीस्ट मैंने सवाल रेज नहीं किए होते.
Right, I got that. So मैं सिर्फ see for tomorrow I am saying we identify one of the topics from within here. Okay. So that we have it for tomorrow, for day after tomorrow, we'll identify something else. And then Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday is already booked. And then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we have one of these topics or some additional topics. Makes sense, right? So I can talk about, so Srividya asked, where can I get my, these new connects? Right, that is what I can speak on tomorrow.
I think Srividya should actually speak about you know what she's doing. I mean, ये चीज वैसे मैंने mention करी नहीं है जो पूरी list है, लेकिन see it's all about the brain game. It's all about how your psychology works.
So Srividya, let's have you speak tomorrow. So how to grow money?
Okay, done.
Done?
No, I think not how to grow money. There has
Not
to
how
be
to grow money, how to change your mindset.
नहीं और कुछ can some other tagline with that.
Okay, fantastic.
How to change your money frequency. What you want to talk about? You want to talk about?
Okay, so Srividya, let me just read the topics which Shefali has shared, and in fact, most of them are related to money only. Okay, so budgeting for my business is what she says. Then how to keep staff motivated, scaling up. Where am I wasting my money? This is another thing related to money. How do I identify the leaks in my business that is bleeding? Okay, which is also related directly to money. All right. Then we've got.
I have a topic for her. Atul, sorry to cut you short.
बोलो.
मुझे आ गया दिमाग में. What is psychic reading and how can it positively influence your business?
Shefali, give me a number between 1 to 251 right now.
251?
Between 1 to 251 right now.
Acha, okay. So take 99.
Paka.
हाँ, take 99. वैसे मेरे दिमाग में पहले 251 ही आया था.
पहले वो ही आया था ना. This was not 99 came second. 251 came, right?
Right.
Okay. Shefali, somewhere you're a person who would always want to start something, and unless and until it is not completed, you will not be able to complete. You will want to complete the task, and if it is not, you have a lot of uncomfortableness. You're also prone to a little bit of stomach issues at times.
Yes. Both these are true.
This is what is psychic reading.
Perfect. So now,
wow.
Now you see, suddenly I know what psychic reading is, and I know what it can do to my business because I know what are my strengths and what could be my weaknesses.
Business, this can be done for relationships. The whole clarity is coming. So tomorrow we'll have more people. So we'll answer one question of everybody's concern. And probably if I can give you a solution, I will definitely give you one. There's a very straight thing that you can do. From tomorrow, today, possibly start drinking a little bit of orange juice. Incorporate that in your diet. Okay? So there'll be a little bit of lower body issues.
Okay. I have major lower body issues, you're right.
Yeah, so there'll be a lesser. It will start balancing because that's what I can sense. And specifically the left leg of yours, mostly you have a pain early morning sometimes, but you manage.
Yes, that's true because I'm a sports person. So yeah.
I have no clue who you are. I just see your image. But tomorrow I may have to see if you want to do a reading, I need to see your face.
Fix money?
Face.
Face.
Okay, you have to see my face. Okay.
Yeah, right now, this is the energy. This is the energy which is about maybe about 6 or 7 months back. Like jo fresh hoga, there'll be a different shift because there's a lot of things that you have changed. From last 3 to 4 months, there's been a major change in your life. You have taken up some new pattern shift, and that's what you're working on.
So that's how I look like.
Exactly. Oh, so sweet. And the hair of yours. So tomorrow we'll do this completely.
Right. Perfect. See,
awesome. So what is the topic? Let me just have that so that we're able to announce it.
I have no clue. इनको जो चाहिए मैं दे सकती हूँ.
I have a topic for
later. I can
topic for Srividya.
Yeah, please.
That is a 5-minute consultation, free consultation for all people who can join. Psychic reading.
हाँ, शादी में आइए मेरी 5 minutes free नहीं दूंगी सबसे 101 रुपए लूंगी.
चलेगा, done है.
See, my thing is first let people understand the power of it.
Yes.
मैं बोल रही हूँ कि सबसे पहले करो the power of psychic reading or how psychic reading can help you in growing your business. मैं कह रही हूँ simple single straight line.
Okay.
And first 5 minutes can be free.
छोटा problem है. जब मैं problem identify कर देती हूँ ना, I start giving remedies and I start giving remedies. That's my pattern. So that's a drawback also.
No, it's not a drawback. Let people come to you na, and you charge them a fee. That's okay.
But अभी मैंने आपको already remedies दे दिया. Now I am connected to you. मेरे को अभी पता है कि आपके और क्या issues हैं. I will start giving you remedies. I have this little. It's a USP also, and at the same time it's a drawback also. I'm a very good person basically.
Only good people can do this. Only good people can.
So
do
there are.
Doll, hi baby. Hi.
So there are only good people who come in my circle. Okay.
ये तो देखो, this is
all the other frequencies are barred.
अच्छा.
देखा,
Tomorrow we have a lot of people.
you see how good she is. She is good with this.
She is so cute यार.
यार रियली इसके गाल धरती बिल्कुल.
और उसे चप्पल क्यों
छोटा
उठा
बच्चा
रही
चश्मे में
है?
ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं मिला ना अभी तक.
अच्छा, इसलिए जूते
मेरे
दिखाते हैं.
छोटा बच्चा चश्मे में है.
She does not distinguish between food and no food, good, bad. She does not have any good, bad वाला फंडा.
हाँ, वो एकदम न्यूट्रल है.
हाँ, न्यूट्रल है.
Yeah. She's so sweet.
And she knows कौन उसको उठाएगा, कौन नहीं उठाएगा. Everything she knows.
वो इसलिए ऐसा कर रही है because she's teething. तो मसूड़ों में गुदगुदी होती है. तो जो प्लास्टिक और रबर की चीजें होती हैं वो सूद करते हैं मसूड़ों को. I think she's teething.
Yes, she is.
Yeah.
ये कौन है? इधर से कौन?
ऐसा कि वो बंदर का जाने अदरक का स्वाद, हमें क्या पता है क्या होता है. You need to be a mother to do that, ना.
तो मैं निकल रहा हूँ, मेरे को जाना है कहीं पे.
बड़ी मेहरबानी सर, आप आए. कल सुबह जरूर आइएगा. चाय पे भी बुलाइएगा हमें.
Sanjeev ji's business has teething problems.
Teething problems. So you know, and the best piece is when the kid is teething, he bites very hard.
Yes.
दर्द होती है.
क्या भी teething चल रहा है अभी.
Okay, Sanjeev ji, see you. Bye.
Bye.
All right. तो ठीक है. तो एक बार ये फिर से प्लीज टॉपिक बता दीजिए so that I am able to create the promo for that and let's have it tomorrow. And each one of you please invite more people. Only then it will be worth Srividya's time.
Atul, see, as I said, कोई एक ऐसा टॉपिक हो, we would not want to bring in somebody and then somebody is saying कि Shivali, I did not get the value that I was looking for. So हम ना hard
हमने टॉपिक अभी डिसाइड तो कर लिया ना. We decided that topic.
What is the topic? What is the topic?
Psychic healing. क्या आगे क्या बोला था आपने? How is that applicable to money, earning money?
No, let's not do that.
Please.
Yeah, I will tell you one more topic. Psychic reading, how it can improve your personal characteristics, how it helps you grow personally. That includes money factor.
So I would like to steer it more towards business instead of towards the personal domain.
Okay.
So because
Shrivya, does that make sense to you?
आप लोग को जो करना है करो, सामने मुझे मेंबर्स लेके आओ, मैं कर दूंगी.
अरे आप टॉपिक तो आप बताओ.
टॉपिक आप लोग डिसाइड कर लो.
टॉपिक की माँ बहन तो आपने करनी है, हमने थोड़ा कुछ करना उसका.
नहीं, मैंने माँ बहन नहीं करनी है, मैंने प्रॉपरली मदर सिस्टर करनी है.
The power of psychic reading in business growth.
Okay,
Yes.
Fantastic.
And then I can offer them the psychic coaching that I do.
हाँ, most welcome. Please do that.
It's a win-win.
Yes, yes. मुझे क्या है, वैसे भी मुझे आंसर्स देने और जितने आए उनका फायदा.
Right. Perfect. Done है जी.
पोस्टर एकदम मैजिकल पोस्टर बनाना. हाँ, एकदम हैपनिंग सा.
आप ही बना के दो.
मैं तो अपने जैसे बना सकता हूँ.
अच्छा. चलो कैनवा.
Okay, निकालता हूँ.
कैनवा में बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता है.
ईद मुबारक.
Eid Mubarak. Say thank you.
Srividya, I'm sharing my number here. Okay, if you can just WhatsApp me your number, I'll be able to connect to you. Okay.
ठीक है. Wait, मैं आपसे.
All right.
All right. Bye bye everyone.
Okay. And and we're starting with the this thing the leverage in COVID times. Third batch today evening 4 o'clock.
अच्छा अतुल जी, I will be able to attend today. Wednesday I won't because Wednesday we have our own workshop.
No problem. So if you miss it, you can attend the next batch. Not an issue.
बीच का gap हो जाएगा ना?
वो कोई बात नहीं. That we can manage. Even in the previous batch we had such a scenario. Even the other person who's joining today, he did the first one last time, and he did not participate in the other two, so he'll be doing today. So we've had such instances earlier. ठीक है जी. ठीक अच्छे.
Bye.
Okay, chalo bye. Okay, so thanks Shefali for bringing method to the madness. All right. Chalo. Okay, Vijay bhai. Aujo.
Aujo.
आओजो,
आओजो
डाउ जोन्स की बात नहीं हो रही।
ओह अच्छा।
Atul, please remember the
और
movie.
आपने बोलता आओ तो कहाँ आओ?
Yes. Definitely.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye.